When you go out of the country, you may want to communicate with your family back home. We found a few ways to do this free or relatively inexpensively. We have 3 apps that we really like. One is called WhatsApp. That one you can do texting and video calls. As long as you're on the Wi-Fi, it's free. You can use your data, but we really try hard to connect to the Wi-Fi. It just has better reception. Another one that we love is called marcopolo. This one isn't so much for video calls, but we use it to send messages back and forth when our time zones are really different. We can record a video message, send it to the kids, they can watch it, respond to us, and that way it doesn't go off while we're trying to sleep. The other one that we've just started using is Facebook Messenger. We knew we could send messages through that, but we started using that a lot more for phone calls, and the reception has been good.
We also use our cell phones. We take our cell phones with us when we travel. We have T-Mobile for coverage, so that gives us pretty much worldwide coverage. You'll have to check on the map and see if that country that you're going to is covered, but pretty much unlimited data, unlimited text, and then about 25 cents a minute for a phone call if you need to make a phone call. We haven't ever had to do that. We're just use text and data. And even in the middle of nowhere, when we were in Sweden in a tiny little country town, we had coverage, so I'm able to use maps and whatnot to be able to direct us where we need to go. When we travel, we don't have to pay any extra. It's just included in our phone coverage, which we like. For those of you who don't have T-Mobile, you may be able to buy a local SIM card. That's what my brother did one time. His wife had to buy a eSIM card because her phone was too new. And those are, I think he said $20 to $25 for a certain amount of data. But I like just using T-Mobile because it allows us to be able to travel and we don't have to do anything with our phone or worry about it. When we took our kids to Paris last year, we were able to let our kids go. They could text us and let us know that they were back to the hotel. Just one less thing we have to worry about.
We have no affiliation with T-Mobile. We just like them. If you'd like more travel tips, subscribe to our channel and watch this video next.